What's up, guys? Today we wanted to talk to you about the Vortex VIP Warranty. Many of you have probably heard about it in the past, how Vortex will replace or fix any of your damaged Vortex products, but you probably don't know to what extent they will cover. So Paul's here to talk us through kind of that whole process, as well as he brought in a bunch of these super damaged Vortex products. It's pretty crazy, the story behind some of these. He's going to tell us a little bit about them and walk us through that process.
Yeah, hey, thanks for having me. So our VIP warranty, it's our very important promise to you, our customer, that we're going to take care of you no matter what happens to your product. Our warranty applies to everything, whether it's a rangefinder, tripod, spotting scope, binocular. Everything is covered by our warranty, which is pretty unique, especially with the electronics.
Yeah, that's awesome. I mean, some of these products are crazy. I mean, this rifle scope here has a bullet hole through it. What happened here?
Yeah, so the customer here somehow had a gun discharge in his safe and ended up putting a hole right through that rifle scope. So obviously that's something we couldn't fix. That was something that we had to replace for that customer. It's crazy the items that we get in, what's happened to them. There's some pretty unique things here. A common one is dogs get hold of things. So this rangefinder, you guys can see the dogs got hold of that and chewed it up pretty good.
Yeah, that eyepiece is gone.
So
I think this is dog hair right here, actually.
Okay, it could be. So here's one of our little red dots. Gentleman had this on the wall, mounted on the wall. Rifle fell off, totally smashed this razor red dot here. Spotting scope. This customer cat got into the closet, knocked the spotting scope out, and it fell down, broke. This one here is really unique. Pulled it out of the box. I was like, what the heck happened to this? This sat in the ocean off the coast of Alaska for a year. And
so this is all salt right here.
Yeah, that's salt on that optic there.
Man, that's crazy. It's crazy someone found this, but...
Yeah, and it brings up a good point. Everything's covered, it's fully transferable, so if you have a product that you find, let's say you're out in the woods and you find something, that is going to be covered. But more that goes along the lines of if you're going to buy something as a gift for somebody or give it to your child or whatever, that warranty is fully transferable. So
yeah, that's awesome. That's really nice.
Yeah.
All right, we've got these binos here too. Looks like someone may have left them on a grill. I don't know.
Yeah, I think they got left or got set on a wood-burning stove and melted the binoculars. So again, something that we had to replace rather than repair. Obviously, we want to repair the item versus replace it if we can. And some guys, we get a lot of guys wondering, how do I take care of that warranty if you do need to get your item fixed? All you have to do is go to Vortex's website, go to the service tab there. It'll take you to a warranty form that you'll fill out. You'll put your address on there, what the product is, what's wrong with it, package it up, ship it back to Wisconsin to our office. And typical turnaround time is going to be about a week, so it's not going to take you very long at all.
That's super quick, especially with hunting season. I mean, getting your product back within a week so you can keep going is pretty remarkable.
Yeah, just if you can, don't wait till right before hunting season like a lot of guys do.
I'm sure it gets crazy.
Yeah, a day or two before the hunt starts, guys are bringing stuff in, but we will do our best to get it out to you so you've got it for your hunt.
Awesome. So from everything from your cat knocking your spotting scope off the table to you lost your binos off the coast of Alaska for about a year, Vortex will cover just about anything.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, we'll take care of you.
That's pretty incredible. And as you all know, Vortex glass is among the best glass out there as well. We all use it here in the office, from the Diamondbacks to the Razor HDs. It's all really high quality, and it's really dependable. It's awesome for a company to just, no questions asked, repair or replace what you have. That brings a lot of peace of mind to hunters alike. So thank you for bringing in these crazy return and replacement products. Pretty cool pretty funny to hear the stories that come with these.
Yeah, it's crazy what we get in, but we'll take care of you.
Thanks.